Find a spot that you can sit or lie down in comfortably, with limited distractions, and close your eyes. Where you sit, cross-legged on the floor, in a chair, on a stool, or lie down is your choice entirely. Only you know your body and situation, so trust yourself. There is no contest here. Take a moment to become aware of the space around your body. Feel the surface under you. Where is it hard? Are there soft places? Does it feel warm, cool, maybe both? Your breath has a temperature too. Feel the difference between breathing in cool air and exhaling warmer breath. That's you, bringing in cooling oxygen and exhaling warmed carbon dioxide. Your very breath part of the air current surrounding us all. Each one of us a force in the atmosphere. Can you feel your nostrils expand with the inhale and retract and exhale, just like a bellows fanning a flame? With your next inhale, feel the air as it is drawn into your body. Your body expands, stretching, increasing, before you exhale, retracting, relaxing, releasing. In and out, expanding, condensing. With expansion comes your center to spread out from. And with condensing comes your radiance, filling the space that was. Breathe in and out, expand, condense, increase, decrease. All this to and from your core, your center. From the outside, you might appear still, but you are a constant movement of life. Your atoms, cells, molecules constantly working, moving, being life. Breathing in fuel for your body's furnace. Exhaling staleness out to start all over again. And that furnace down just beneath your belly button, in front of your spine. This is your center point, your gravity point, your point of equilibrium, your place of balance, your furnace. With your next inhale, feel the flame here at your center point soak in the oxygen and grow brighter. As you exhale, the flame radiates out bright yellowish-white light, like an aura of golden rays. This is your bubble. Your feet, buttocks, or back connecting you to the ground, and your head or face kissing the atmosphere all around. The air, the atmosphere, a sea of energy ready to be absorbed, and our exhales recycled by plants growing in the earth, making us a conduit between earth and sky as we breathe in and out. In and out, one with all around, beneath and above, feet to head and back again. Take notice of your feet. They bear our weight every moment we stand. They allow us to rise up and stand tall as we can. Whether you are barefoot or not, your feet still breathe and feel. Your feet too expand and contract, bearing the brunt of gravity, and yet staying solid and resilient. The bottom of your feet thick and yet alive with nerves and awareness. Starting at the bottom behind the ball of your big toe. With your next inhale, focus here. And as you exhale, draw your awareness up with the exhale into your ankles. Does your ankle pulsate like a heartbeat? Is it warm, cool, dark, heavy, light, weightless? In and out, breathe into your ankle. On your next exhale, drawing awareness up the center of your leg into each knee. Do your knees feel the in and out, expanse and contract differently from your ankles? Breathe into your ankles and exhale, drawing up into your knees. Ankles to knees, in and out. Expand, contract, drawing, expelling. Now breathe into your knees, letting them feed on oxygen coursing through your blood. And on an exhale, draw up through the center of your thighs into your hips and pelvic area. The energy from both legs joining back together in warm waves of pulsation. Into your knees, drawing up out of your hips and pelvis. Feet to hips, one stream out of two. Breathe in and out. Grow, radiate, expand, release. Breathe in to the base of your spine. What sensations do you notice? Tingling, warmth? As a moon waxes and wanes, or a wave ebbs and flows, breathe in and out. Notice the muscles, tendons, nerves that support the spine, and use the spine as support. Breathe, expand, decrease, radiate. Glow, breathe in, and as ripples go out, exhale. As a double helix encasing your spine, draw your next exhale up into your chest. Your lungs and heart working together to pump and circulate oxygen in and carbon dioxide out. Breathing in and pulsating out to your own rhythm, your own unique sounding hum. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, feel the pulsations go from your chest out into each shoulder. Your shoulders expanding and contracting. Your shoulders and shoulder blades reaching their potential and settling back in. Perhaps your shoulders are shifting, correcting any imbalances, and that is okay. Breathe in shoulders, breathe out shoulders. Do they feel lighter, heavy in places, floating, impacted? Gently breathe in, filling your shoulders like a wet sponge, and exhale, rinsing them out, and let the energy and heat dissipate, radiating outwards. Inhale to your shoulders, and exhale, draw down through the center of your upper arm into your elbows. Breathe in, shoulders, draw down, elbows. Let your elbows fill, then relax, and release built-up tension. Your elbows joining the thrum of awareness that goes from feet, up your spine, and down into your upper arms. Do your arms feel longer, more free? Breathe into your elbows and radiate out, in and out, in and out. Now from your elbows down into your wrist, a conduit from your feet, your pelvis, all the way to the base of your hands. Feel the momentum as you breathe in and out from your wrists. Breathe into your wrists. Draw your next exhale into the palm of your hand. Feel how warm and tingly your hands naturally become as the energy works on flowing freely, safely and soundly. Like a flower bud unfurling to the glory inside, your palms as bases glow outwards, ready for action. Perhaps you even feel it moving back and forth between your hands, like a ball game between your left and right sides. In time, think back to the chest where the energy split for each arm. Coming back to this source, breathe in, and on exhale, draw up into your neck to the level that is comfortable for you. Nothing to force, nothing to fight for. Simply take in oxygen into your chest and exhale, drawing the air out, letting your neck become connected to all that has come before. And now, finally from your neck up to the top of your head, breathe into the neck center and exhale, drawing up to your crown. Sit or lie with yourself alive through oxygen and giving back with your exhale, a living hub of give and take, in and out, expansion and contraction. The air that bathes us, the sea of oxygen all around us. Feel it like a gentle mist, a gentle rain soothing your pores, calming your skin, sinking down into your core, allowing you to settle back to your core, your flame, where you expand and contract from. This time as you breathe in and out from your core, become aware again of the feel of the ground under you. What does the room temperature feel like? Can you feel air currents drifting by you? What sounds do you hear? When you are ready, open your eyes and carry the stillness you found out with you into the world of action. Thank you.